CSDO, and in my today's video, I will be telling you about chocolate making course. Chocolate is a gift of God, and we make sure we give you the perfect knowledge that can help you to make wonderful chocolates. Chocolate making is a great industry and it has a huge scope in market. So at CSDO, we focus on not only designing or manufacturing or making, but also on how you can market these chocolates. So let me quickly show you the type of chocolates that you will be learning in CSDO's chocolate making foundation course. Here comes the surprise wafer chocolate. Coffee toffee chocolate is also a part of this course. You will also learn Pan Bahar chocolate. We also will cover biscuity chocolate, you will also learn green apple chocolate. We will teach you roasted cashew chocolate, white milky chocolate is also a part of our course. Blueberry, one of the richest flavors, we teach you blueberry chocolate. Pineapple is a great fruit and we cover that type of chocolate too. Here comes our celebration chocolate, such as Raksha Bandhan chocolate. Greeting chocolate, especially when it's something special. Deepavali chocolate, the biggest festival celebrated in India. You will also learn green apple chocolate, chocolate goes in entire world for all rum lovers. Rum and raisin chocolate. We will also teach you strawberry crackle chocolate. You will also learn lemon chocolate. The next chocolate that you will learn is coffee and walnut chocolate. We will also teach you salted almond chocolate. Tattoos are nowadays in fashion, so we've also included tattooed chocolate in foundation coat. You will also learn Valentine chocolate for your loved one. Next chocolate is Kashmiri saffron chocolate. Then we have the double layer chocolate. The important one is here, which is vanilla ganache chocolate. You'll also gain how to make flavored chocolates. You know, a lot of people have diabetes, so we have also included sugar-free chocolate. We also have butterscotch chocolate. last, we have the marble chocolate. And my dear friends, apart from this, we will also give you handouts, PDF and wonderful practical knowledge on making each of these in front of you in our course. I love you, Mom, for Mother's Day or her birthday. So friends, I am sure you all really enjoyed watching this video and you all thought you can taste some. I wish I could get all of these for you. However, chocolate making is really a wonderful art. And if you are good at cooking, or even if you want to experiment a small skill-based, home-based business, then chocolate making is the right business for you, because there is a huge scope in this market. Today, all of our sweets are replaced by handmade chocolates, and the best part is that CSDO gives you a complete project on chocolate making. We not only teach you on making chocolates, but how you can sell them in the market. The marketing ideas and all the fundas are clear in our classes, and I feel proud that CSDO has launched many chocolate brands in India. So if you wish to become a brand of chocolate making, then you need to learn from the perfect people. CSDO has delivered great service, and we are there to support you as a beginner in the industry. For more information on chocolate making foundation course, please log on to www.delhicsdo.in, or you can also call us on 880066 9541. Thank you.